What is an equation? For example, 5x plus 9 is equals to 24. 5x is one term, 9 is also treated as a term, 24 is treated as a term. In other words, in 5x, 5 is the coefficient of x and x is called as a variable. This plus symbol is known as operator and 9 is the constant and this 24 numbers are constants. Okay, 5x plus 9 is equals to 24 is completely known as an expression. Okay, this side is called as left hand side and this side is known as right hand side. See this slide very carefully because the coming exercise will be based on this one. See this one carefully. Next, an equation, one more example, 2x plus 3 is equals to 8. This equal symbol is equality. This is the mathematical expression. Here x is the variable. Okay, 3 is the constant and 8 is the constant. 2 is known as the coefficient of x. Next, solution of an equation. See this one carefully. 2 into x minus 1 plus 8 is equals to 4x minus 20 is an expression. Multiplying 2 into x 2x minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 8 is equals to 4x minus 20. Here 8 minus 2 is 6. 2x plus 6 is equals to 4x minus 20 and taking all the variables at one side and numbers at one side, 4x minus 2x or else 2x minus 4x is equals to minus 20 minus 6. That means minus 2x is equals to minus 26 and if you can divide x is equals to 13. Minus and minus are cancelled. Okay, this is how we are going to make a solution of an equation. Simplifying the equation. Exercise 11.5. State which of the following are equations, and that means with a variable. Give reason for the answer. Identify the variable from the equations with a variable. A. 17 is equals to x plus 7. This is an equation because it has variable x. Question B. T minus 7 is greater than 5. This is not an equation because it doesn't have the equal symbol. It is having greater than symbol. Question C. 4 by 2 is equals to 2. This is not an equation because it has no variable. It is a constant. 7 into 3 minus 19 is equals to 8. This is also not an equation because it has no variable and again it's also a constant. 5 into 4 minus 8 is equals to 2x. This is an equation because it has the variable x here. Next, x minus 2 is equals to 0 is an equation with a variable x. Next question, 2m is less than 30. This is not an equation. We know the reason because it does not have equal sign. 2n plus 1 is equals to 11. This is an equation with a variable known as n. 7 is equals to 11 into 5 minus 12 into 4. This is not an equation because it doesn't have a single variable. It has what it has? It has constants. 7 is equals to 11 into 2 plus p. It is an equation because it has the variable p. 20 is equals to 5y. It is also an equation because it has the variable y. 3 cube by 2 is less than 5. This is not an equation because it doesn't have equal sign. Z plus 12 is greater than 24. This is not an equation because it does not have equal symbol here. 20 minus of 10 minus 5 is equals to 3 into 5. It is not an equation because it has no variables, constants only. 7 minus x is equals to 5. This is an equation because it has a variable called as x.